think we have that kind of time?
Yeah, because
No.
there's nothing here. Giving away our position. I'm gonna throw a grenade.
I didn't know I could honk. I'm sorry. I clicked because I was like, maybe something's gonna happen.
There's 762 ammo. Oh my. There's a med kit in here.
Go!
Hold on.
Mike, the bus is here. It's gonna leave you behind.
Jesus Christ, I'm getting smoke grenades because we're gonna need it.
I have 3 of them.
God.
Pat, it's not that funny.
It's.
I want
Oh,
to
is he crying? Is he fucking crying?
Oh my.
Saw it here first, folks. The grown man.
Yeah, go to red marker,
Oh my god.
Oh, we're gonna. This is how we.
I can't see.
This is it, guys.
Pat, hit control 3.
All right, let's park. Oh my. And Pat's down. Pat, are you crying? Holy shit.
Here, I got this med kit.
Pat's stream is Hero Pat if you wanna go.
Yeah, you should probably go and watch that stream. Holy shit, Pat.
Guys, I found a shitload of bandages.
Pat, you want like bandages and painkillers and stuff?
Oh my god, hold on. I got out of the car. Or no, earlier. 5 minutes ago, I got out of the car. And we crashed. And then you decided to back up. And I spawned behind the car.
Do not exit the vehicle until it's fully stopped.